So the materials for this experiment include a plastic case, alcohol, matches to light the fire, and chopsticks to hold the note, and of course a $20 banknote for the experiment. The alcohol used for this experiment is Welch's Instant Hand Sanitizer, and I tried to show the ingredients here, but I can't show it, but there is 75% alcohol. Okay, first pour the alcohol, in this case squirt it from these little cases and containers into the plastic case as shown here. I used about 80 milliliters of alcohol. Now I just add in the same amount of water as alcohol and use my chopsticks to mix the two chemicals together. Afterwards, just put the $20 bank Hong Kong dollar note into the mixture of alcohol and water. Then, using your chopsticks, just press the note down into the mixture and soak it through and wait for 1 or 2 minutes. After that, take it out of the water with your chopsticks. Now the preparation is done and I light the bill on fire. And you will see that the bill is on fire, but the fire is not consuming the bill. It is not burning. And the fire goes out and the bill is completely safe. The note is completely safe. I hold it. It's even cold to the touch because I'm holding it right here. One of our problems was that the matches were not working correctly. They weren't lighting up when we struck them, and we wasted about 8 matches. The second problem was the note not lighting on fire, as the matches that worked didn't light the note on fire. They just caused a little black spot on the bottom of the note. Getting alcohol was also hard because the other product I tried, which was also a hand sanitizer, had only 60% of alcohol, and I wanted more percentage of alcohol. There was also a delay in the project because one of our group mates disappeared or lost contact with humanity during the Easter break, and that caused a communication problem. The first scientific concept in this experiment is the concept of combustion in burning. Ethanol alcohol and oxygen change into carbon dioxide, water, and energy. And that causes the note to catch on fire. The second scientific concept of this experiment is the fire triangle. The fire triangle is a combination used to create fire, which includes fuel, oxygen, and heat. By taking away the heat in this fire triangle with our water used in the experiment, we can eliminate the fire. The third scientific concept is the properties of alcohol related to this experiment, which include alcohol is highly flammable. It is a type of liquid. It takes very little energy to set alcohol alight compared to other substances such as paper, and its molecular structure is similar to water. So why didn't the note burn? It is because when the bill is soaked into the solution, the water molecules soak into the bill while the alcohol remains on the surface. When the match is put to the bill, or in this case the paper, on fire, the alcohol is actually what actually burns. The temperature at which the alcohol burns is not high enough to evaporate the water and burn the bill, or note, or paper money, or it's $20. So after the alcohol has burned, the dollar bill is still slightly wet, and the fire goes out, and the note is cool to the touch. And I actually tried this experiment with more or less alcohol proportionate to the water. So, for example, I did one where I had more alcohol and then water, and the I tested it on a piece of paper, and the paper just burned up because the uh, the flame lasted long enough for the water to reach its evaporating point, boiling point, and it just turned into steam and evaporated, and the rest of the flame just burned the piece of paper. I tried putting more water um, than alcohol, and then the note just didn't catch on fire because the water just made the temperature of the bill too low to catch on fire.